Welcome to the program Getting Ready for Job Interview, the MM Patel Way. In this part, we are going to see a few indicative interviews. For other videos, go to youtube.com and search for Maganlal Patel. In the second interview, we are going to see a marginally suitable candidate. The candidate appears to have above average personality and confidence. His performance during interview remains consistently above average. He is not very strong academically. At times he simply replies without giving details or logic. However, he shows proactiveness and mature thinking. Please tell us something about yourself. You have 2 minutes time. My name is Hemant Kulkarni. My father is working in a small-scale factory as executive and my mother is homemaker. I have one sister who is in second year of BCom. The candidate gave a response showing sequence. I completed my schooling in Jalna, securing 65%. I joined junior college at Aurangabad and scored 75%. As my score was not up to the mark in HSC, I was forced to take admission in this private college. The candidate demonstrated personal integrity. He did not hide facts. I became serious with my studies. I have completed 3 years with an average score of 61%. I am in 4th year now. The candidate admitted his mistakes and he demonstrated that he has learned from the mistakes. I used to support college activities. I am a bit shy and I hesitate to take responsibilities of leading. I know I lack in leadership qualities, but I am picking up by involving and taking responsibilities. Last month I took charge and organized a trip to Excel Engineering for my classmates. The candidate demonstrated self-awareness and his attitude to improve. I would like to work in an organization where I am required to work to my best and learn to improve my potential. The candidate demonstrated his willingness to learn and perform. You said you have become serious with your studies. How did you make your study plan? Sir, if you see my score of 3 years, I have consistently improved. This was possible by planning only. The candidate demonstrated his improvement and achievement attitude. I had taken help of one of the best students of my class and teachers to learn the techniques of planning studies. The candidate demonstrated effective interpersonal relations. I am targeting to secure 67% in final year. I have made a detailed study plan after going through the question papers of the last 5 years. I have also allocated study time for each subject. My planning is in writing and I monitor it every week. I am working hard and meticulously follow my study plan. The candidate showed managerial quality of planning and monitoring. What are your life ambitions? Sir, I know my potentials. It's good to dream big, but it is equally important to be realistic. I would like to start my career with production, maybe as production executive. I would like to progress and maybe I would head a medium-sized company at around 45. I would work hard and contribute. I would like to be financially secured and would like to lead a happy family and social life. The candidate demonstrated mature and clear thinking about future. Did you do any paper presentation? Yes, sir. I presented 4 papers in last 2 years. 2 were part of syllabus and 2 were at district level competitions. On one occasion, my paper got appreciation award. Should I explain the content, sir? The candidate demonstrated his willingness to work more than compulsory. Yes, please, carry on. The paper I presented was about Kaizen in industry. I visited 5 local companies which have implemented Kaizen. I collected 5 excellent Kaizens from each company. Then I collected conceptual details of Kaizen. I presented the concept, the steps of implementation, the advantages in terms of productivity and improved working place, and the case studies. The paper presentation was for about half an hour, but it was followed by many questions. I made 5 presentations to the students of all the branches in my college as instructed by my teacher. The candidate demonstrated that he is a serious performance and has in-depth knowledge. He also demonstrated his achievement orientation. What is your hobby? Why do you pursue the hobby? My hobby is to watch cricket matches on TV. It is difficult to watch full matches, but I make it a point to see highlights unless hard pressed for studies. I pursue this hobby to track performance of our players. The candidate demonstrated his action attitude with a purpose. After the matches, I analyze individual performance and calculate their cumulative and average performance. I keep the details in Excel sheets. I draw the graphs to do comparative study. My hobby has resulted in improvement in my analytical skills. The candidate demonstrated that he can create opportunities to learn. It has also resulted in my going through the newspaper every day. The candidate demonstrated his ability to make most out of the situations. Which is your most favorite subject? Sir, I like production technology most. I would like to make a career in production. Even I did 2 projects in one of the auto component manufacturing companies. One project was related to productivity improvement and the other project was to reduce rejection. I succeeded in both and I was appreciated by the production manager. Here the candidate gave a very short reply. He could have elaborated the details. What are your salary expectations? Sir, I am going to be a qualified production engineer. I am keen on making a career in production. I am a hard worker and self-motivated. I would expect around 25,000 per month to begin with. The candidate demonstrated his logical thinking and clear expectations. What about posting in a remote plant of ours? That is certainly not a problem now. I can be away from my parents for at least 7 years or so in normal circumstances. The candidate showed readiness to work. However, he could have given a detailed answer. Okay, we will let you know through your placement officer. Thanks. Good day, sir. The candidate demonstrated business etiquettes. We have seen a candidate over here who is not academically very strong, but he could demonstrate his action orientation and achievement orientation. He also demonstrated that he is interested in proactivity, and therefore the interviewers may put him in marginally selected category. For other videos, go to youtube.com and search for Magan Lal Patel.